Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today in front of us we have the Atom 75W or the W75, which is their weight-based grinder. If you watch my other video, do not lift by the forks. The reason is you can damage the grinder. They put a note inside, please do not lift by the forks, because I can assure you that it will happen and the damage will occur. And Eureka may not cover this, just to give you a heads up, because they know that if you lift by the fork, you'll see a piece broken on the inside. So to repair this, get a Phillips head screwdriver or power drill with a bit. Blah, blah, blah. You want to make sure you have a towel on your table, because you're going to place this upside down, okay? And I will show you this way so you can see from the front. And the reason for the towel is because you do get scratches. As we've trained with this grinder with our technicians here, if you don't put a towel and you put screws or something else here, you potentially could get scratches. So to remove the front, which will be the first step, of course the grinder is unplugged, okay, from the wall outlet. And let's get this drill bit going proper way. Okay. And basically the drill bit came out. So now we have the portafilter holder off. We're going to go on the back side. Let's get this back in place. And then we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take those out. One, 2. Let me lift it up a little bit. Find that screw. Okay, now the bottom plate comes out. And you will find this plastic piece on the inside. This is what breaks. Okay, well, let's put these screws on the side so we don't scratch the body up. And we have tested this grinder, but also we've used it for training. So you're going to see some scratches here, some here. And now, this is basically the mechanism where the plastic piece broke off. If I remember correctly, it is right here. Okay, so when you go lift up from the front, this can break and crack. Okay, now customers have received the grinder in good working order, and I don't think this is from shipping, for the simple reason that they make this note on purpose because they know when you lift from the front. So you may also want to put a sticker there, Brother P-Touch sticker, just to alert employees or workers, baristas, whoever touches this, do not touch by the fork. Okay, so now take this piece, there's 4 screws here we're going to remove. Oh. Let's get a little more juice in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guess you got to hold this here. Okay, now this comes out. And one of the mounting feet here okay, let's turn this in here. I am having a little difficulty here. Anyways, these 2 screws will come out. if you only have the plastic piece. So far right now, Eureka is sending the entire assembly. So if you only get the plastic piece, this is what you're going to replace. And then there is a wire connection that leads to a 4-pin connector down in here. Just get my fingers in there and try to pull up. Okay, so here's the 4-pin connector. So this is the entire assembly that needs to be replaced. You also may want to check to make sure the framing is not bent in any way. So check on a quartz or marble, a very sturdy or flat countertop that is very flat. So if you have wood and there's a little bit of warping, you may see. So just make sure everything sits nice and level. Also pay attention to the inside. Make sure that everything looks nice and level and there's no damage on the inside. Any questions or comments, please ask down below. You can check out this grinder on our website. Again, please do not lift up by the forks. Okay, I can't stress that enough because now it's happened to more than one customer. And this is the part that does need to be replaced. Once again, as I always say, coffee first, everything else second. Follow us on social media. Take care.